Guys, today I will show you principle of siphon. In this case, or here now, the water is not above, so both the pressure are equal, and the water will stop at the same level.
It's almost still a little more to go.
It is equal and it has stopped.
Okay.
Now we will add the stool to make it completely finished till where the straw is reaching.
So why will it finish?
Because of the air pressure.
So there is a difference in air pressure.
And the water will finish till the straw.
Or if the water level becomes equal again.
Yes.